Morning! Welcome to Heart Key Creations. I am Heather and today I'm rendering tallow. So I was grocery shopping yesterday and got really lucky and found about 5 pounds of beef fat. So I snatched up all of them and said, all right, we're gonna make tallow. So here's what I did is I have it in this lovely pan. It's actually the same one that I do use for soaping. This tallow is going to be used only for soaping, so works out well for me. And put a little bit of water in the bottom to just get it going. I have it on medium right now just to get it going, and as the pan warms up, like, it's still really cool to the touch. I just started it and said, oh my gosh, I should film this. So when it gets warmed up and everything, I will turn it down so that the lard can stay as light and white as possible. All right, I'll be back. So it's been about 45 minutes and I've turned it way down to low, almost onto just plain warm there. And you can see that it is rendering out the fat very, very nicely here. I definitely, did not put that much water in there, and you know that you see the huge difference in volume. So I'm gonna let this go as long as it takes to render out as much as I can. I started out with about 5.5 pounds of ground beef fat, and we'll see how much of this I can render down to a liquid fat. Be back. This is what I have ended up with when I have rendered down 5.5 pounds of beef fat. This is super, super clean oils put into the jar. I kind of, as it rendered out, I just kind of filtered it out immediately. And yeah, I wanted to make sure I had tried to get as white as possible or clear as possible for at least a good portion of it. And then I let the rest of it cook down, and you can see a difference clearly in the color and how much darker it is by letting it cook down. And that's it. I will see you next time. Like, subscribe,